What's going on YouTube? This is Cozy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the DJI Power 1000 and taking our first look at everything included inside the box. We'll check out the design, build quality, the available ports, and some good key features from this box, from this DJI Power 1000. So today we'll be unboxing the DJI Power 1000. As you see here, I bought it from Amazon for $400. It's a Power 1000 V2 portable power station. It has about 2600 of stable output watts, 0 to 80% recharge in 37 minutes. But it's an electric generator that I bought now that I'll be here in the Dominican Republic. We have a big generator downstairs so that when the lights go out, it just automatically kicks in and turn everything back on. So there's like, let's say about 2 to 5 second time where everything has to power back up when the generator kicks in. So I ended up buying this so that I can plug in my laptops, my Wi-Fi, my monitors, just something to have as a UPS just in case that time where everything just have to reboot and get back in. With this, I'm hoping to avoid just losing internet for that time that it takes to reboot everything back up. Now, it doesn't really matter with both of my remote jobs, but it's a good tool to have when I go to like remote places where they're not gonna have like the best batteries, or they're not gonna have no backup batteries. I can really take this and go like camping or go somewhere remote, and I can just work remotely with this and a Starlink standard version, and the DJI 1000. I could work anywhere in the world along with my VPN router. This weighs about, I'm gonna say like 30 pounds, good 30 pounds. I have a courier out here in the Dominican Republic that also charges me by the weight. So it's good for light stuff, but for very heavy stuff, not the best. So I paid about $3 a pound. So do the calculation, $3 a pound plus like 30 pounds. That's what I paid to get it shipped out here. So let's go ahead and open this up. Definitely, if you're a person that is looking to have a battery to go camping, to go outside. So in the box, you got the power cable that charges the DJI Power 1000. And you also have the Power DJI 1000. Why it's great, like I said, perfect backup during occasional power outages. The building has a generator that basically whenever the lights go out, it powers up the whole building. It'll keep my Wi-Fi router and laptop running so I can continue working remotely with no interruption. And this is great for road trips, beaches, camping, and content creation around the island, anywhere in the world, honestly. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment. It comes with 4 standard household electrical outlets, US model, capable of powering laptops, desktops, computers, monitors, television, coffee maker, fans, refrigerators, many other household electronic items. You also got the 2 universal serial bus Type A, USB Type A charging ports capable of delivering up to 140 watts each, making them ideal for laptops, tablets, gaming devices, and modern smartphones. You also have the 2 universal USB Type C charging ports capable of delivering 140 watts each, making them ideal again for laptops, phones, tablet, gaming devices, a lot of stuff, you know, a lot of stuff. Nowadays, everything is USB-C. You also have a built-in color display, which I showed you earlier. Provides the remaining battery percentage, charging inputs, charging power outputs, estimate runtime, charging status, and then right there at the top, you got the main power button to turn off the power station on and off. You also have the electrical outlet power button that activates and deactivates the household electrical outlets. And then on the right side of the connection, it can be used for connecting compatible solar panels, which that's what you see all the way towards the right, those two connections that say SDC. You can also charge the power station from your vehicle with compatible charging accessories. This is what ChatGPT is saying. So this basically my backup power setup for when the electricity goes out here in the Dominican Republic. I have my 2 monitors, I have a docking station, 2 different internet provider routers, my VPN router, laptops, and a PlayStation 5 connected to the DJI Power 1000. The main reason I got this isn't to run everything at the same time. It's so that if the power randomly goes out while I'm working in a meeting or even playing PlayStation with my guys, with my friends, playing Fortnite, GTA, anything, everything stays running and I don't lose any internet connection. You can see that I'm at 76% battery. The DJI is pulling about 675 watts from the wall to charge itself, but my actual equipment is only using about 70 watts right now. So while there's electricity, it keeps itself charged while powering my setup. Then if the electricity cuts out, the battery takes over. And because I'm only pulling around 70 watts, during light use, I could potentially get many hours of backup power. Obviously, once I start gaming and the PlayStation 5 starts pulling more power, the runtime can drop. But again, I only need this as a backup. That backup, that period from when the lights go out to when the generator kicks in. So, and I also have 2 separate internet providers. So if one internet company goes down, let's say one goes down, I still have that other one. Between the backup internet and the DJI, I'm basically trying to make sure that even if the lights go out, my work doesn't stop. So far it is charging pretty decent. It did go down to 607 watts input. It's gonna take about an hour to charge, but I will show you the aftermath once I have everything plugged in to my workstation. So as you see, these are all the wires I have here. Just to let you know that it also comes with the app. I forgot to say that, but it does come with an application. You can see everything real time through the app. So just keep that in mind. You can check the wattage, the input, the output. So just keep that in mind. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any questions about the DJI Power 1000. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.